thrilled to bring you something special today as part of our DIY series. In this exciting video, we will be showcasing a basic pattern that you can create using our upcoming DIY resin set, which will soon be available for purchase. This is a fantastic opportunity for both beginners and seasoned crafters to explore the world of resin art. We are also proud to announce the opening of our new workshop in Kowloon, Hong Kong. This space is designed for anyone who wants to learn, practice, or simply enjoy the creative process of making resin art. Whether you're a novice or an experienced artist, our workshop provides the perfect environment to unleash your creativity. This video will serve as a detailed tutorial, guiding you through each step of the process to ensure you can replicate the beautiful patterns we demonstrate. If you have one of our resin kits or any other resin kit, we encourage you to follow along with the instructions provided. This way, you can create stunning pieces that reflect your personal style. Looking ahead, we have plans to release more videos like this one. Some will focus on basic patterns, while others will challenge you with more advanced techniques. We invite you to join us on this creative journey as we explore the exciting possibilities of resin art together. So grab your tools and let's keep pouring and creating.
잊혀지지 않을 이 밤의 멜로디 부드러운 리듬에 몸을 맡기네 이 순간